Hello everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to add photo in Grindr. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, open Grindr application. Click on the profile icon in the top left corner. Then click on Edit Profile option. Here you can see the photo icon. Click on it. Now click on the plus sign in order to add a photo. Click on the plus sign once again. Here you can either choose to take a photo instantly or choose from your gallery. After you've selected a photo, click on the next option. Now click the done button. Click on the save option in the top right corner. Click on the save option once again. Now when somebody will view your profile, they'll be able to see the photo that you have just added. And that is how you can add photo in Grindr. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.